Here we are going to discuss about the global warming. Global warming refers to the long-term increase in Earth's average surface temperature due to human activities, primarily the emission of greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide. It leads to various environmental changes including rising sea levels and more frequent extreme weather events. Addressing it requires global efforts to reduce emissions.
We are going to discuss about the effects of global warming or widespread and impact various aspects of the Earth's environment. Some key consequences include rising temperature, average global temperature or increasing, leading to hot and altered weather patterns, melting ice and glaciers. Higher temperature contribute to the melting of polar ice caps and glaciers, contributing to rising sea levels. Sea levels risk melting ice and the expansion of seawater as it warms contribute to rising sea levels, threatening coastal areas. Extreme weather events. Global warming intensifies extreme weather events such as hurricanes, droughts, floods, and wildfires. Ocean acidification, loss of biodiversity are some of the examples of effects of global warming.
Here we are going to see about the advantages and disadvantages of global warming. Advantages of global warming: increased agriculture productivity, warms temperatures and extend growing seasons in faces regions could lead to increased crop yields. Opening up Arctic passages. Melting ice in the Arctic could potentially open up new shipping routes, reduce transportation distances. Access to resources. Growing performing may make certain access to accessible for resource extension. Disadvantages of global warming: rising sea levels. Melting in ice caps and glaciers contribute to rising sea levels. Extreme weather events. Global warming, the floods and violence. Loss of biodiversity. Changes in temperature and habits can lead to extinction of numerous.
Let us discuss about the prevention of global warming. Prevention of global warming involves collective efforts to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and promote sustainable practices. Here are some key strategies. Transition to renewable energy. Shift from fossil fuels to renewable energy sources like solar, wind and hydropower to reduce carbon emissions. Energy efficiency. Improve energy efficiency in industries, transportation and building to reduce overall energy consumption. Afforestation and reforestation. Planting trees and reforesting forests helps absorb carbon dioxide, acting as a natural carbon sink.